So you think figuring out if a guy really likes you means decoding his every text and analyzing every awkward silence? Yeah, because nothing says I like you like 27 emojis and a one-word reply, right? It's not even a joke. But here's the silver lining. Understanding his true feelings is actually way easier than you think, even if you're convinced he's a master of disguise. If you compare his subtle actions to any other creature, you'd realize he's pretty much got it down to an art form. When guys like you and me say we want to know if he's into us, it means a bunch of things. We crave clear signals without the mind games. We want to feel confident without second-guessing every move. And let's be real, we just don't have time to play detective 24/7. The problem is, most relationship advice out there is so vague and fluffy that only someone with a degree in relationship psychology could make sense of it. But instead, let's get specific with 15 microsigns that you can actually spot right now. Things like the way he remembers the tiniest details about your day, how he finds reasons to be around you, or those little gestures that show he's genuinely interested. These aren't just random behaviors. They're clear indicators that he's into you, minus all the confusion and drama. So if you're ready to ditch the overcomplicated theories and start recognizing the real signs a man likes you, stick around because I'm about to break down 15 microsigns that reveal his true feelings. Number 1. He admires how unique you are. So, you've noticed he's genuinely interested in what makes you, you. Your quirks, your flaws, your unique interests. He's all about them. Why is this happening? Well, thanks to some magical chemical changes in our brains, we can overlook and even adore the little things that make us, well, imperfectly perfect. He might even think your screaming sounds like a lovely piece of music. He embraces all of your flaws, including those that make you feel insecure. Instead of trying to change you, he encourages you to appreciate yourself and works hard to integrate his life with yours. You might see him getting involved in your hobbies or looking at you in a way that makes you feel truly seen. If he's enjoying your uniqueness and making an effort to connect on a deeper level, that's a solid sign he likes you. Number 2. Emotional fragility. When a guy falls for you, he might show some emotional vulnerability. Now, this can be a tricky area for many men because it makes them feel exposed and uncomfortable. You might notice that he gets a bit agitated or easily triggered, not because of anything you did, but because he's struggling to keep his emotions in check. He might act clingy, jealous, or even overly concerned that you might abandon him. This doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. It's more about his own battle to manage his feelings. His body language might not always be obvious since he's trying to hide his apprehension, which can mess with his non-verbal cues. Not all men show this sign, but when they do, it indicates that he cares deeply about you and is emotionally invested. Number 3. Forming a deep and wide connection. When a guy is really into you, he starts sharing more intimate details about his life. This is all about building a solid relationship foundation. You might see him inviting you to join in his interests, like going for a hike, taking a pottery class, or whatever else he's passionate about. Men begin integrating their love interests into their lives when they see potential for a long-term connection. As the relationship progresses, you'll notice he's becoming more understanding and considerate of your feelings and interests. He's not just sharing his life with you, he's also paying attention to yours. This mutual exchange of personal information and interests is a clear sign that he's serious about building something meaningful with you. Number 4. Getting nervous around you. So, you notice he's acting a bit jittery or shy whenever you're together? Yeah, nothing screams "I like you" like sudden butterflies and awkward pauses, right? It's not even a joke. When a guy starts getting nervous around you, especially after spending a lot of time together, it's a pretty clear sign he's falling for you. He's probably worried about how to express his feelings without turning into a blubbering mess. If he's acting nervous in situations where he'd normally be chill, it means he's gearing up to say those magic words. So next time he fidgets or trips over his words, just know it's because he's trying really hard to impress you. Number 5, he only has eyes for you. Picture this. You're at a crowded party, and while everyone else is mingling, his eyes are locked on you like you're the only person in the room. If a man is genuinely interested in you, his attention stays focused on you, no matter how many distractions are around. You might catch him staring dreamily or looking at you intently, completely enthralled by your presence. This level of care and exclusivity is a dead giveaway that his feelings for you run deep. So, if he's giving you the undivided attention amidst all the chaos, chances are he's really into you. Number 6, he includes you in his future dreams. When a guy starts talking about his future goals and somehow, magically, you're part of them, it's a huge sign he sees you as more than just a fling. Whether he's discussing career ambitions, travel plans, or even simple holiday ideas, incorporating you into these conversations shows he's thinking long-term. Asking for your feedback on his dreams demonstrates that he values your opinion and envisions you by his side in those scenarios. This subtle integration of our future indicates he's serious about building a lasting connection with you. Number 7, he gets jealous when you talk to other guys. If you're chatting with other guys, whether online or in person, and he starts giving you those side-eye looks or wonders what's going on, don't panic. A guy who's not interested wouldn't bother paying attention when you're talking to others. But if he's visibly affected and you can see a hint of jealousy in his eyes, it means he's worried he might lose your attention. Just flash him that beautiful smile and reassure him you're only interested in him, and he'll likely come back into your orbit even stronger. Number 8, he makes an effort in the conversations you have. Ever had a guy who goes out of his way to keep the conversation flowing? If he's making a real effort to talk to you, it's a sign he likes you. Even if the conversations start off a bit awkward, he'll find ways to keep things interesting. Pay attention to his listening skills and the tone of his voice. If he's genuinely engaged, asking questions, and showing interest in what you're saying, he's probably crushing on you. On the flip side, if his voice trails off or he seems disinterested, it's a sign he might not be that into you. Number 9, he asks if you have a boyfriend. When a guy straight up asks, "Do you have a boyfriend?" it's a pretty clear indicator that he's interested in being your boyfriend. But let's be real, not all guys are that direct. Many will drop indirect hints or mention that they're single in hopes you'll say, "Me too." So, if he's trying to find out your relationship status, chances are he's hoping to become your significant other. Number 10, he changes his behavior when you're around. Notice how he acts a bit differently when you're together? Maybe he's more talkative or conversely a bit quieter than usual. Guys often react to stress differently than girls, so these subtle behavior changes can indicate that he likes you but doesn't quite know how to show it. Whether he's extra charming or unusually reserved, these shifts are a sign he's trying to navigate his feelings for you. Number 11, he makes time for you. In the age of instant messaging and busy schedules, making time for someone is a big deal. If he's quick to respond to your texts, volunteers to help you out, or goes out of his way to be there when you need him, it's a major sign he values your presence. Whether it's helping you move or just checking in to see how your day was, making time for you shows he's genuinely interested in being a part of your life. Number 12, he sticks up for you. A guy who's into you will always have your back. If he's defending you when others are rude or praising you for your achievements, it's a subtle way of showing his admiration. He won't go overboard with compliments, but his low-key support and encouragement are clear indicators that he holds you in high regard and wants to see you succeed. Number 13, he gives you all the eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most intimate forms of nonverbal communication. If he's maintaining continuous eye contact during conversations or even in moments of silence, it's a strong sign of his affection. People in love are naturally drawn to their partner's eyes, creating a sense of emotional connection and proximity. So, if his gaze is locked on you, it means he's sincerely invested in building a strong bond with you. Number 14. He's more present in your life. When a guy genuinely wants to be with you, he becomes more present and attentive. You might find him doing little things without being asked, like surprising you with a spontaneous kiss or helping you out when you least expect it. These small deeds show that he's putting in the effort to be a part of your life and is interested in building a meaningful relationship. Men are unlikely to go out of their way for someone they don't see a future with, so his increased presence is a clear sign of his interest. Number 15. He sincerely enjoys your company. Finally, if a guy truly likes you, he'll never tire of spending time with you. Whether it's an all-night chat or a day-long adventure, he's always happy to be around you. He doesn't feel the need to rush things or cut your time together short. If he's constantly looking for ways to spend more time with you and genuinely enjoys every moment, it's a clear indication that he values your companionship and is falling in love. Conclusion. So, there you have it. 15 clear signs that a guy really likes you. No need to overthink or decode mixed messages. Just look out for these small but meaningful actions. Whether he's getting a bit nervous around you, making extra time to be with you, or including you in his future plans. These are all strong indicators of his genuine interest. Remember, it's the little things that often say the most. If you notice these signs, chances are he's truly into you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more real talk relationship advice. Feel free to share your own experiences in the comments below. Until next time, take care and keep smiling.